So the second question we have efforts to increase non-farming production activities. Which type of efforts we can do to increase the non-farming production activities? Firstly, you need to understand the meaning of non-farming. Non-farming means बच्चे those farmers who don't have any land to do agriculture, they are landless farmers. So we can say those farmers as a non farmers or non-farming production activities. Which type of work they can do so they can provide more production, what type of efforts they can do to increase more production. So which type of production activities are there? So firstly, we have infrastructure includes like establishment of banks, building of roads, and improving communication, because these are very basic inputs for manufacturing means if we are going to construct any building, for the building we need some loan. So the banks are the only way they can provide loan to us. And improving communication means if we are connected to a rural urban areas or to a town, to a city, then it would be very easy to approach banks and to approach markets, so that we can get each and everything which is required for manufacturing. So these are the basic inputs for manufacturing. In the second point, expansion of markets means there should be a large spreading of market. There should be a large markets in a city or in a town which is connected to a rural areas. To increase non-farming activities, rural markets should be linked to urban markets. So if there is any need to the non-farmer, if there is any need to any people who are not doing agriculture, by having good connectivity with the urban markets, they can easily get each and everything, and they can be able to get any job, any requirement they which they want. And education and health, improvement in education and health facilities will lead to human capital formation. If why we are getting education, so that we can get skilled in any field in which we want, so that in future we can get good job in our field. That jobs we can get in any company, any industry, and in any factory. And those good companies, industries and factories are only located in urban areas, in large cities, in large towns. So if the rural areas are connected to urban areas, then it would be easy for non-farmers. If they are skilled and they have a good health, they would be able to reach the urban areas, and they would be able to get job in good companies, industries, and factories. So education and health is an important factor for the farmers and also for the non-farmers. Why it is important for farmers? If the farmers will not be scared about the farming activities, about the seeds, about the good chemical fertilizers, then they would not be able to uh, increase their production. So the farmer should also be skilled. There should be education for the farmers, and there should be education and good health for the non-farmers. And in the fourth point, cheap loan. If we are going to start any business, because we don't have any land, then what we can do? And if we don't have land and we don't have a large amount of money, we have a lack of money, then who can help us to start our business? That is only the banks. If the banks are here established by the government, and the banks are providing cheap and affordable loan to the non-farmers, then it would be easy for those non-farmers to start their own business, to increase their non-farming production activities. So the cheap loan should be there.